It is one of my last days in Shanghai and I'm gonna celebrate it. Hey! That guy was watching me. We're gonna celebrate it with skateboard ride and I'm gonna try out this new GoPro that I bought yesterday, so that should be fun. And I'm also gonna get some Japanese food. On Sunday I'm going to Hong Kong, so now it's Friday, so I only have like 2 days left. And this is the last time that I'm gonna see the Bund and the nice city view, so it's gonna be good. Oh my god, this is the best. This is spicy ramen that I got here, and I'm literally here alone. There's no one here because it's like awkward time, it's like 4 o'clock. But yeah, that ramen is the bomb. I'm gonna get stuck into this, so yeah. This place is the best. Ippudo. If you see it anywhere, go there because it's the best ramen I've ever had. Ah, so good. This is the Apple store where I got this GoPro yesterday, so now I'm here trying it out. So I'm here trying to take a time lapse with this GoPro thingy. I'm not sure if it's good. I'll see when I put it on the laptop, but yeah. Hava. He's saying that I can't use my skateboard. Mean. I need to find coffee immediately because I'm freezing my toes and fingers and butt off right now. It is so cold. I want to come back when it's dark, so I need to warm up a little bit. I'm absolutely freezing. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, it's time to go. Bye bye, Shanghai. Crazy that I'm leaving already. Feels like I just came here. This is the last time I'll see the Bund. But maybe I'll go back one day, so who knows.